She's watching, curious, and learning. What will she be when she grows up? She probably doesn't even realize the possibilities. Science and technology offer some of the most diverse and rewarding careers. But did you know that less than 30% of the world's scientific researchers are women? How can you spark her imagination and her dreams? Interest in STEM starts young, but starts to dwindle as girls get older. The first step is identification. Children need to see that people like me do this. We are here to help you encourage her imagination and dreams. Join us on Saturday, March 9th for our free event, Take Your Daughter to the Science Center. This popular family event is for girls and boys, for the entire family. They will meet real female scientists and have their curiosity piqued through fun and games. Join us on Saturday, March 9th for this fun family event that celebrates girls and International Women's Day. Show her what is possible, encourage her to dream big, and follow her heart. Save the date and bring your family to the Okanagan Science Center on Saturday, March 9th.